Here's our hotel. Look at this here. Washer and dryer. Full-size kitchen. That's my TikTok shop pocketbook. Click on my link. Here, terrace. That's Baltimore. That's the pier. Some ride down there. That's Joey. He was in the bathroom, so I couldn't get in the bathroom. See what that door is? A closet? Yeah, it's a closet. Yeah. Hamper, everything, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Put my jacket up here.
Ah, look at the fridge. More Joey. And this is the bathroom. But she just was in here making a mess. Here I go. Here I go. Joey?
What's in here?
I don't know. The utility closet that you can't get in?
That's over there.
Nuh-uh. It's like, you know, where the boiler is and the water heater, that stuff. Got here to Baltimore in an hour and a half. No traffic or nothing.